WhatsApp has this amazing section on the chat which you can use to express yourself in a different way. This video is about exploring the stickers, GIFs, and avatars. So, this is kind of a series, so you will have to see more videos on it. So, let's go on a chat and see. Once you click on message, you will have your keyboard on, and now you have to click on the stickers option, right? So, here are the stickers, then you have these emojis and GIFs, and this is avatar, right? So these are four options which you can opt to express your emotion in any way, and we have a variety. Most easy ones are the simple stickers and emojis, which you must have explored previously also. But there's one another option, right? On the fourth one, in which you can create your own stickers. So you can select any picture and make a sticker out of it, like I have, right? So this is your gallery, you select any of your picture and the emoji, your sticker will be on the way. So it's loading right now, and you can see your photo becoming a sticker basically. So this is quite fun because you have many pictures of yours, and what you can do is you can add text to it. So I just wrote पढ़ाई कर लो guys, so it means like now you have to study guys. So yeah, so this is one thing that you can do, and this is actually fun, like while you're having chat with your friends, etc., right? And now you can click on send, the green option, the green arrow, and it will be shared. I find it very interesting because I can use my pictures into a sticker, and I can, express myself in this way. So yeah, amazing feature, and you can use it anytime. So yeah, this is not avatar, we will be covering avatar in the next video. Till then, drop comment of your sticker. Ta-da!